Hey!
Hey, you and Oliver ready for our date?
Yes. Oh no, Oliver, that's...
Oh, he should probably take front anyway, so he's close to the AC.
Oh, I'll just take that then.
What do you guys want?
Oh, I'll have...
Oh, sorry. Oliver should order first. Sorry, I guess they ran out of hamburger patties.
Oh, well then what's that?
Oh, they must have given Oliver the last one.
Oh.
How is it?
Good. Mind if I sit between you guys?
Oh, if Oliver doesn't mind.
Oh, you know what? I'll just sit over here.
Thanks for having me over.
Yeah, thanks for coming.
Oh, I gotta go, buddy. Come on. Oh, I don't think he wants me to leave.
Maybe he wants you to stay a little longer.
Oh, I'd love to.
Really? Hey, you guys want to keep it down? I have work in the morning.
Oh, sorry, we were just hanging out.
Okay. Have